Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Swedbank Online Banking. First, go to Google and search for Swedbank. Click the first result, then select Login. Choose your language, then select Secure Token. Next, enter your personal identity number, then click Login. You can also log in via the Swedbank app by downloading it from Google Play or the App Store. Simply enter your personal number to access your account. Alternatively, you can log in with Bank ID on card by entering your ID or scan the QR code on the screen and click Login. And that's it. That's how to log in to Swedbank Online Banking. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.